lesson. Today I have a program about infant car. Let's see them.
I am a postman. My job is to deliver posters.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Father served in an army. Good luck.
Thank you.
I'm a cook. I can make yummy meal. Good luck.
Thank you.
Policeman protects us. Good luck.
Thank you.
Farmer saves our lives. Good luck.
Thank you.
The nurse helps the doctor. Good luck.
Thank you.